Hey, Brian at Kingston. Today I want to show you the Kingston CJ1850 CNC flatbed teach lathe, the smallest of the Kingston CJ models. This thing's compact, easily programmable, easy to load, fully enclosed, and it's a great value. So this gearbox here has 3 speed ranges going up to 3,500 RPMs, 2¼ inch spindle bore with a D16 nose, 18 inches of swing over the bed, 11.2 inches over the cross slide. The catalog says, I think, 40 inches between centers, but I think it's more like 45, 46. This tool block here can accept an Aloris quick change tool post. And then we've got the chip pan here that's right in the front, which is pretty convenient if you're working in tight spaces. But let's talk about the Kingston app here, which runs on the Fanuc Zero ITF Plus controller, of course. Now, if you're used to working in G-code, you can do all that here. And you can still access Manual Guide I here as well. But what we really think is the most convenient is the Kingston app. Now, if you have any questions or comments, find your local Kingston dealer, or feel free to reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool. Once again, I'm Brian. Stay awesome.